Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today we are trying a cake rusk recipe. It's very tasty and crispy snack. You can have it with chai or have it as a dessert. So let's see how to make it. Before moving on to the recipe, click the red subscribe button if you have not subscribed to Grey Pot. Click the bell icon to get all new updates and notifications from our channel. First, into a large bowl, add some vegetable oil, add some milk, some yogurt, and some vinegar. Blend all the ingredients really well. Add some sugar and blend it till it gets melted. Now add rest of the dry ingredients like all-purpose flour, custard powder, baking powder and baking soda. Sift and add it to the liquid. Blend it and combine it well. Once the mixture is well combined without any lumps, our cake batter is ready. This is the consistency we are looking for. Now transfer that into a baking tray lined with parchment paper. And bake this in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 30 minutes. Now our cake is ready. Take it out from the pan and slice it. Now place these slices onto a wire rack and bake it again at 180 degrees Celsius for 16 to 18 minutes. And after 18 minutes, these cake pieces turns crispy and you can have it as a cake rusk. It's really crispy and crunchy. You can have this rusk with chai, or you can add some toppings like cream cheese or whipped cream and have it as a dessert. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.